Simon Sinek says, leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care of those in your charge. Leadership, at its core, is a dynamic force that shapes the path of individuals, teams, and even entire communities. It is not solely about authority, but a profound responsibility to nurture and elevate those who look up to us. Now, you might be wondering, why affirmations? Affirmations are not just mere words. They are powerful declarations that have the potential to reshape our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. When applied consistently, affirmations become the compass that guides us towards our goals. As we progress through this series, we will touch on various empowering leadership, from fostering effective communication to making sound decisions and inspiring others. Each chapter will offer practical insights and affirmations that you can incorporate into your leadership journey. Empowering leadership is a philosophy that empowers individuals to take ownership of their roles and responsibilities. It's about creating an environment where each member feels valued, heard, and encouraged to contribute their unique strengths. Imagine a leader who doesn't just give orders, but fosters an atmosphere of collaboration and trust. This leader recognizes the potential within each team member and provides the support and guidance needed for them to flourish. Empowering leadership isn't limited to the corporate world. It manifests in schools, communities, families, and every facet of society. It's the teacher who ignites a love for learning in their students, the community leader who works for positive change, and the parent who nurtures independence and resilience in their child. Throughout history, we've witnessed remarkable individuals who embodied empowering leadership. Mahatma Gandhi empowered a nation to fight for independence through nonviolence. Nelson Mandela inspired reconciliation and unity in a divided South Africa. These leaders didn't command obedience. They ignited a collective spirit of empowerment. When we lead with empowerment, we set off a ripple effect. Each empowered becomes a hope of inspiration for others, creating a culture of self-belief, initiative, and innovation. This, in turn, leads to higher productivity, greater satisfaction, and a sense of fulfillment among team members. But remember, it begins with a shift in mindset. It's about recognizing the potential in others and providing the support and guidance for them to realize it. So let us embrace this essence of empowerment. Let us lead not by authority alone, but by example, by fostering an environment where each individual feels valued and capable. Number 1, affirmations for confidence and charisma. In the realm of leadership, confidence and charisma are like the North Star guiding us through uncharted waters. They are the qualities that captivate hearts, inspire trust, and propel us towards our goals. Through affirmations, we can cultivate and amplify these essential traits. Affirmations are like seeds planted in the fertile soil of our minds. When nurtured with belief and repetition, they sprout into the very qualities we seek to embody. Let's explore how affirmations can serve as the cornerstone for building confidence and charisma. Confidence is the foundation upon which effective leadership stands. It's the unwavering belief in oneself and one's abilities. When a leader exudes confidence, it instills a sense of security and assurance in their team. Affirmation 1. I believe in my abilities and trust my intuition. I am a capable and confident leader. Affirmation 2. I am resilient in the face of challenges. I trust myself to make sound decisions. Charisma is that magnetic quality that draws people in. It's a combination of authenticity, warmth, and a genuine interest in others. A charismatic leader makes others feel seen, heard, and valued. Affirmation 3. I radiate positivity and warmth. I connect effortlessly with others. Affirmation 4. My authenticity is my strength. I lead with genuine care and concern for my team. By incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine is key. But remember, confidence and charisma are not about being the loudest voice in the room. They're about being the most authentic, genuine, and uplifting presence. Number 2, affirmations for effective communication. Communication is the lifeblood of leadership. It's not just about the words we speak, but how we convey meaning, inspire action, and build connections. Through affirmations, we can refine our communication skills to become more persuasive, empathetic, and impactful leaders. Effective communication is about understanding your audience, conveying your message with precision, and creating a space for meaningful dialogue. Affirmation 1. My words carry weight and clarity. I communicate with precision and purpose. Affirmation 2. I listen with empathy and seek to understand before being understood. A persuasive leader isn't forceful, but compelling. They present their ideas with conviction and logic, inviting others to join them on the journey. Affirmation 3. I articulate my vision with confidence, inspiring others to believe in our shared goals. Affirmation 4. I am adept at influencing positive change through my words and actions. As with any skill, effective communication requires practice. Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine. Before a meeting or presentation, take a moment to center yourself and repeat these affirmations. Feel the confidence and clarity flow through you. Remember, communication is not just about the words you say, but the energy and intention behind them. When you speak from the heart, your message resonates on a deeper level. Number 3, fostering a supportive and inclusive environment. Creating an environment of support and inclusivity is the mark of an empowering leader. It's about recognizing the unique strengths and perspectives each individual brings to the table and providing a space where all can thrive. Through affirmations, we can nurture this culture of belonging and empowerment. Inclusivity is not just a buzzword. It's a fundamental principle that celebrates diversity in all its forms. It's about acknowledging that each person's background, experiences, and ideas enrich the collective tapestry. Affirmation 1. I value and respect the unique contributions of every individual on my team. Affirmation 2. I create a safe and welcoming space for everyone to express themselves authentically. A leader committed to empowerment understands the importance of actively seeking out diverse voices and perspectives. It's about ensuring that every voice, regardless of background, is not only heard but valued. Affirmation 3. I actively seek out diverse perspectives to make informed and inclusive decisions. Affirmation 4. I champion diversity and inclusion, knowing that it leads to stronger, more innovative teams. As you use these affirmations into your leadership practice, remember actions speak louder than words. Actively seek out opportunities to create a culture of support and inclusivity. Celebrate the unique strengths of each team member and provide the resources and mentorship they need to flourish. Number 4, affirmations for decision-making and problem-solving. In the realm of leadership, the ability to make sound decisions and solve complex problems is paramount. These skills are the cornerstone of effective leadership. Through affirmations, we can enhance our capacity to navigate challenges and lead with clarity and confidence. Effective decision-making requires a blend of intuition, analysis, and the courage to take action. It's about weighing options, considering consequences, and ultimately choosing a path forward. Affirmation 1. I trust my instincts and make decisions with confidence and clarity. Affirmation 2. I am capable of making informed and timely decisions for the benefit of my team and organization. A leader is often faced with complex challenges that require innovative solutions. Problem solving is about approaching difficulties with a proactive mindset, seeking out creative solutions, and persevering through setbacks. Affirmation 3. I approach challenges with creativity and a solution-oriented mindset. Affirmation 4. I am resilient in the face of obstacles, knowing that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. As you incorporate these affirmations into your leadership journey, remember decision-making and problem-solving are skills that develop with practice. Embrace each challenge as an opportunity to grow and refine your abilities. Trust in yourself and in your capacity to lead with clarity and resolve. Know that each decision you make and each problem you solve brings you one step closer to becoming the empowering leader you aspire to be. Number 5, inspiring and motivating others. As empowering leaders, one of our greatest responsibilities is to inspire and motivate those we lead. It's about igniting a spark within each individual, propelling them towards their full potential. Through affirmations, we can cultivate the art of inspiration and motivation. Inspiration is like a flame that lights the way. It's about painting a vivid picture of possibility and potential. An inspiring leader instills a sense of purpose and vision in their team. Affirmation 1. I am a source of inspiration, guiding my team towards a shared vision of success. Affirmation 2. My passion and enthusiasm are contagious, sparking a fire of motivation in those around me. Motivation is the driving force that propels action. It's about understanding what drives each individual and tapping into their unique motivations. Affirmation 3. I empower each team member by recognizing and nurturing their individual strengths and aspirations. Affirmation 4. I lead with empathy, understanding the needs and aspirations of my team. and providing the support and encouragement they require. But remember that inspiring and motivating others is a continual process. Take the time to understand the unique strengths and aspirations of each team member. Provide opportunities for them to shine and celebrate their achievements. Lead with a genuine belief in the potential of each individual and watch as they rise to meet and exceed their own expectations. Number 6, affirmations for resilient leadership. In the ever-changing landscape of leadership, resilience is a cornerstone trait. It's the ability to weather storms, adapt to challenges, and maintain composure in the face of adversity. Resilience is not about avoiding difficulties, but about facing them with strength and determination. It's about bouncing back stronger and wiser, even in the most trying times. Affirmation 1. I am resilient. I face challenges with courage and perseverance, knowing they are opportunities for growth. Affirmation 2. I maintain composure under pressure, leading with grace and determination. In the dynamic world of leadership, adaptability is key. A resilient leader embraces change as a natural part of progress, viewing it as an opportunity for innovation and growth. Affirmation 3. I embrace change with an open mind and a forward-looking perspective. Affirmation 4. I lead my team through transitions with confidence and a clear vision for the future. But remember that resilience is a muscle that grows stronger with each challenge faced. Embrace difficulties as opportunities for growth and learning. Lead by example, showing your team that setbacks are not roadblocks, but stepping stones towards success. Number 7, empowering leadership in personal life. Empowering leadership extends far beyond the confines of the professional realm. It steps into our personal lives, influencing how we navigate relationships, pursue our goals, and shape our own destinies. Through affirmations, we can lead ourselves towards personal success. In personal endeavors, we wear the hat of both leader and follower. It's about setting clear intentions, taking decisive action, and cultivating the mindset of a leader in every facet of our lives. Affirmation 1. I am the architect of my own destiny. I lead myself towards success with purpose and determination. Affirmation 2. I set clear goals and take consistent action to achieve them, knowing that every step forward is a victory. Empowering leadership in personal life is also about how we nurture our relationships. It's about listening actively, offering support, and being a positive force in the lives of those we care about. Affirmation 3. I am a source of positivity and support in the lives of my loved ones. Affirmation 4. I communicate openly and authentically, fostering deep and meaningful connections. But remember that empowering leadership begins with self. Cultivate a mindset of self-belief, resilience, and purpose. Take time for self-reflection and set clear intentions for your personal growth and success. Lead yourself with the same dedication and purpose that you bring to your professional endeavors, and watch as you create a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. We've explored the essence of leadership, honed essential skills, and delved into the realms of communication, inclusivity, resilience, and personal empowerment. Now, it's time to take what we've learned and put it into action. Empowering leadership is not a title or a position, but a way of being. It's about lifting others up, creating inclusive environments, and leading with purpose and resilience. It's about believing in yourself and in the potential of those you lead. Now, the torch is passed to you. It's time to step into your role as an empowering leader, both in your professional and personal life. Take what you've learned and let it inform your actions. Remember, leadership is not about the spotlight. It's about the profound impact you have on others. It's about creating a legacy of positivity, growth, and empowerment. As we conclude this series, remember that the journey of empowering leadership is ongoing. It's a path of continuous growth, learning, and self-discovery. Embrace it with an open heart and a steadfast commitment to making a positive impact. Now, go forth and lead with purpose, for the world is waiting for the empowering leader within you to shine. Thank you, and stay blessed.